Hello everyone, welcome to Technia TV. I, Mansi Chopra, faculty of BAJMC department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies is going to deliver a lecture on eChopal. eChopal is an initiative of ITC Limited, a conglomerate in India to link directly with rural farmers via the internet for procurement of agricultural and aquacultural products like soya beans, wheat, coffee, and prawns. Each opal tackles the challenges posed by Indian agriculture, characterized by fragmented farms, weak infrastructure, and the involvement of intermediaries. The program installs computers with internet access in rural areas of India to offer farmers up to date marketing and agricultural information. ITC Limited has provided computers and internet access in rural areas across several agricultural regions of the country where the farmers can directly negotiate the sale of their produce with ITC Limited. Online access enables farmers to obtain information on mandi prices and good farming practices and to place orders for agricultural inputs like seeds and fertilizers. This helps farmers improve the quality of their products and helps in obtaining a better price. ITC Limited kiosk with internet access is run by a Sanchalak, a trained farmer. The computer is housed in the Sanchalak's house and is linked to the internet via phone lines or by a VSAT connection. Each installation serves an average of 600 farmers in a surrounding 10 villages within about a 5-kilometer radius. The Sanchalak bears some operating cost but in return earns a service fee for the e-transactions done through his e-Chopal. The warehouse hub is managed by the same traditional middlemen now called Samyojaks but with no exploitative power due to the reorganizations. The middlemen make up for the lack of infrastructure and fulfill critical jobs like cash disbursement, quality aggregation and transportation. Since the introduction of eChopal services, farmers have seen a rise in their income levels because of a rise in yields, improvement in quality of output and a fall in transaction cost. Even small farmers have gained from initiative. Farmers can get real-time information despite their physical distance from mandis. The system saves procurement costs for ITC Limited. The farmers do not pay for the information and knowledge they get from eChopals. The principle is to inform, empower and compete. E-marketplace for spot transactions and support services to future exchange. There are 6,100 eChopals in operation in 40,000 villages in 10 states affecting around 4 million farmers. And eChopal is a service offered to farmers by ITC to help them work their way around market intermediaries and weak infrastructure. It is basically a computer with internet facility that allows user to access the eChopal website run by ITC. A local farmer acting as a coordinator or Sanchalak run this amenity. He receives a small commission from farmers who wish to use this facility. A local commission agent or Samyojak assists the Sanchalak by providing logistic support. Farmers use the computer to access daily closing price of local mandis, international price as well as detail about new farming techniques. The computer at the eChopal may also be utilized for ordering seeds, fertilizers and other products from ITC or its partners at the discounted prices. During this harvest season, ITC proposes to buy the crop directly from farmers at the previous day's closing price. If the farmers agree, their crops is transported to an ITC processing center where it is weighed, assessed and paid for. Farmers who sell through eChopals usually receive a higher price for their produce than those who use the traditional mandi system. eChopals also unshackles the potential of Indian farmers who has been trapped in a vicious cycle of low risk-taking ability, low investment, low productivity, weak market orientation, low value addition, low margin, low risk taking ability. This made him an Indian agribusiness sector globally uncompetitive despite rich and abundant natural resources. Such a market-led business model can enhance the competitiveness of Indian agriculture and and trigger a virtuous cycle of higher productivity, higher incomes, and large capacity for farmers, risk management, larger investments, and higher quality and productivity. Appreciating the imperative of intermediaries in the Indian context, eChopals leverages information technology to virtually cluster all the value chain participants, delivering the same benefits as vertical integration does in mature agriculture economies like the USA. eChopals makes us of the physical transmission capabilities of current intermediaries, aggregation, logistics, counterparty risk, and bridge financing while disintermediating them from the chain of information flow and market signals. With a judicious blend of click and mortar capabilities, village internet kiosks managed by farmers called Sanchalaks themselves enable the agricultural community access ready information in their local languages on the weather and market prices, disseminate knowledge on scientific farm practices and risk management, facilitate the sale of farm inputs now with embedded knowledge, purchase farm produce from the farmer's doorstep. Real-time information and customized knowledge provided by eChopals enhance the ability of farmers to take decisions and align their farm output with market demand and secure quality and productivity. The aggregation of the demand for farm inputs from individual farmers gives them access to high-quality inputs from established and reputed manufacturers at fair prices. As a direct marketing channel virtually linked to the Mandi system for price discovery, eChopal eliminate the wasteful intermediation and multiple handling, thereby it significantly reduce the transaction cost. eChopals ensure world-class quality in delivering all these goods and services through several product, services, specific partnership with the leaders in the respective fields in addition to ITC's own expertise. While the farmers benefit through enhanced farm productivity and higher farms gate prices, ITC benefits from the lower net cost of procurement despite offering better prices to the farmers, having eliminated costs in the supply chain that do not add value. ITC eChopals has won numerous awards like United Nations Industrial Development Organization, which is also known as UNIDO Award at the International Conference on Sharing Innovative Agribusiness Solutions 2008 at Cairo for ITC's explanatory initiative in agribusiness through eChopal. The Ashoka Changemaker Health for All Award 2006 for Rural Health Services Model for delivery of health services through eChopals. The Stockholm Challenge 2006. This award is for using information technology for the economic development of rural communities. I hope you understand the topic eChopal. For more videos, please like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.